In this video, I'm going to show you how to request money on PayPal. Requesting money on PayPal is a simple process. Go ahead and open up your PayPal application or make sure to log into your paypal.com account on a web browser. Soon after you are logged in, from the main homepage, look for the button that says Request Money. Tap on Request Money from the main homepage, and then on the next page, enter the email address or the username of the person you are requesting money from in the text box. You can also enter their phone number in the text box, and after you are done, on the next page, enter the amount you are requesting. If applicable, choose your currency from the right-hand side. Now, enter the amount, and then if you want to type in a message explaining the reason for their request, go ahead and type it in the text box. You can also add a fun emoji or note, and after you are done, tap on Review and click on Request Now. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to request money on PayPal to a certain individual. Tap on Done after you are done, and the recipient will receive an email or notification from PayPal informing them of your request. They can then log into their PayPal account and follow the provided instructions to complete the payment. That was how you can easily request money on PayPal. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.